Disasters don't send invitations, they kick down the door while you're still in your pajamas. So the question is, will you panic like a headless squirrel, or handle chaos like a legend? The truth is, survival doesn't start in your basement with emergency beans, it starts in your brain. Your mindset is your secret weapon. When life punches you in the face, don't crumble, grin back. A positive attitude doesn't mean ignoring problems. It means refusing to be crushed by them. Get stuck in the rain. Don't sulk, do dramatic slow-motion puddle jumps. Mindset turns misery into adventure. Adaptability is next. Plans fail. Tents blow away. Snacks run out. Dogs eat maps. That's life. Being adaptable means shrugging, laughing, and finding a new way forward. Dinner turns into marshmallows. A camping disaster becomes a fireside story. Start small. Try a new route to work. Mix up your routine. Flexibility is a muscle, train it. Now let's talk staying calm. Panic is useless. Panic makes you trip over nothing and scream at shadows. Calm people think. Calm people survive. Lost in the woods with no phone signal. Don't freak out. Breathe. Observe. Ask, what can I do next? Even one smart decision can turn disaster into victory. Be the calm one. Be the raccoon that always finds food. Problem solving is your survival gym. You can't escape problems, they're everywhere. Like weeds or mosquitoes with anger issues. So practice. Do puzzles. Play strategy games. Simulate emergencies with your friends. You'll laugh now, but when the zombies come, the guy who practiced will know exactly who gets the last cookie. Resilience is your bounce-back power. Life knocks everyone down, but not everyone gets back up. You will train resilience by facing small challenges. Take cold showers. Camp without Wi-Fi. Survive a day without snacks. Keep a journal and track how you overcame things before. Proof of past victories fuels future wins. And don't forget resourcefulness. The world won't always hand you tools, you have to improvise. Missing ingredients. Dinner is now creative fusion cuisine. No first aid kit. Clean socks become bandages. Old t-shirt, now it's a rope. Resourcefulness turns I can't into watch me. At the end of the day, being prepared isn't about fear, it's about freedom, confidence, knowing you can handle anything. So build your mindset, sharpen your skills, stay flexible, stay strong, and never stop learning. The world is wild. Be willing